So if you are wondering how difficult this bookshelf is to put together, let me just tell you, I did this all by myself, under 2 hours. The instructions were crystal clear. I laid everything out. Nothing was missing or broke. This was nice and easy.
So if you're checking out this adjustable bookshelf, let me tell you a few things about it to help you decide if you want to grab one. So the brand sent this to me to put together, test out, and try. Something I found really unique about this is the fact that you can build this 3 different ways. This is the fully expanded bookshelf, so you do have 4 different levels here that you can decorate, put things on. But if you don't have room for the full size, there is a smaller size as well. And then there is a corner option that I like also. This would be perfect like in a kid's room. If you had an apartment with limited space, this would also be a really nice option. This is made out of a super nice engineered wood, so it is nice and sturdy. Also comes with wall brackets, so if you want to fix it to a wall, you can. I do love these 2 little cubby areas that have magnetic closures. I love the sleek design of this. I think it looks way more expensive than it is. So let me give you a closer view here. So under here, you can see there are like tracks. That is for when you want to expand it or make it smaller, or of course, make it a corner unit. But just overall, it's nice and solid. I love the wood grain here. I obviously went with the brown. It is available in a couple other colors. The front of these cabinets are definitely like a beveled wood, so I just love the overall look of that. Just nice and spacious. Can work in pretty much any room in your house. So as you can see, I added some home decor and books to it. Now it's a beautiful showcase. I definitely love this piece, very durable. I definitely would recommend. I think this would look great in anybody's home. So I hope this video has helped.